walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm making some more Trash to Treasure winter DIYs. You guys love those so much, so I wanted to make some more. And I have tons and tons of thrifted finds that I've got to get flipping. So you guys stay tuned for more of those. They are coming. It's just a slower video process of making things like that. But you guys, before I get started, I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring this video today. I have worked with Skillshare in the past, and I am obsessed with the classes. If you don't know what Skillshare is an online learning community and resource that offers you thousands of inspiring classes such as design, photography, video, and more. And members receive unlimited access to thousands of classes with hands-on projects and feedback from a community of millions. And most classes are under 60 minutes, so it's so nice that you can watch a class and learn something under 60 minutes. So if you're looking to design a small space, I am loving the interior design aspect of some of these classes just because it's kind of helping me learn how to decorate my house, not be so cluttered with my decor. And also right now, for a premium membership, you can join the Skillshare community and get creative, and it's 2 months free right now. So I definitely recommend something like this. I have, like I said, a few classes I am really liking. I actually received a wood burner for Christmas, and I have been obsessed with the wood burning classes. If you're looking for design, if you want to learn how to decorate your home, photography, I've really been into the Instagram photography and how to make your Instagram pictures look better. I'm trying to work with Instagram a little bit more now, and that is really fun to watch those type of classes. There's so many, but those are just a few of my favorites. And if you guys are scared to learn how to use your Cricuts, there's definitely classes on that as well. It shows you how to make a bunch of different things. And like I said, the classes can be under 60 minutes. Some of the ones that I have watched have been like 15 minutes long. So that is nice. And like I said, join now and you get 2 months for free, premium membership, so you get everything, unlimited classes for free for 2 months. And then afterwards, if you still want it, for the annual membership, it is under $10 a month. So make 2020 a year where you explore new skills, deepen existing passions, and get lost in creativity with Skillshare's online classes. And all right, without further ado, let's do my winter Trash to Treasure DIY. This first DIY is super easy. I just got this vase and these little flowers. This was from Goodwill. I want to say this was $4.09. I kind of thought it was a little pricey, and then a subscriber said that these are normally like $20 or $30, so I didn't really feel bad at all. But the first thing I did was just take everything out of the vase, and then I grabbed this Satin Jade spray paint by Krylon. I love this color, and I just spray painted the vase, which was super fast and super easy. A little fast DIY for you. And then I picked up these pine cones and snowflakes from Joann's, and I just placed them right inside the vase. And that is it. I love this because it is good for winter right now, but then the vase will also be good for all year long if it matches your decor. I know that it may or may not match some of mine, or I can always stick it in a bathroom later on, but I love the way this is. I picked these picks up at Joann's when they were 70% off, so I only paid $1.09 a piece for these. So this was a $10 project, and I absolutely love it.
Or say I smile at fools. No, I don't care 'cause I...
And this next one is just this little basket. It was, I think, $1.09. I don't know why I ripped off all my price tags before I could tell you, but I'm almost 100% positive it was $1.09. And I'm just going to take some Kills chalk paint in white, and I'm just painting the entire thing. This took a really long time. It probably took about 30 to 40 minutes to cover everything. I didn't think it was going to be that bad. Maybe I should just spray painted it, but I didn't have white spray paint on hand, so this is just what I used. And like I said in a different video, I'm trying to use up all of my paint before it starts to go bad. So here we are. It's now all white. I got these holiday cinnamon pine cones from Joann's. They were $2.99 for this whole entire bag. And I'm just putting all these pine cones in here. I love the idea of decorating with pine cones for winter because that is just, I don't know, I just love the way they look, and they smell absolutely amazing. These small white pine cones, those actually came from Dollar General, just some stuff I had left over from Christmas DIYs. And then I have these fairy lights I'm just placing right inside here, and I think this just looks super, super cute, and it looks really cute at night when it's all dark and these are all lit up. And I just put this right in my living room for now. You guys stay tuned for my winter decorate with me video. It'll be coming out hopefully soon. I'm just trying to get all of my DIYs done first, but this is what it looks like right now, and I think it is just absolutely just stinking cute.
I'm on my way up and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time.
This third DIY, this is either a footboard or a headboard. I want to say it's probably a footboard because it's a little bit shorter. I picked this up at a garage sale over the summer for $2. I've had it sitting around forever not knowing what to do with it. I kind of had an idea, but this is what it looks like. They already kind of redid it, which it was kind of a nice color and pretty, but this just really isn't my style. They had a little family sign on here. I just ripped that right off, and I'm actually using the back side, which I think is the front side. I liked it because I liked the prints and everything that they had on the front, and I'm just taking my Kills chalk paint in white and I'm painting the entire thing white, and I'm gonna make this a cute little chalkboard. I picked up this chalkboard paint from Dollar Tree, and it actually goes on really, really nice and thick. I only had to do one coat of this, and it is absolutely amazing, like for $1, and it covered everything I needed, and I only used about a half a tube of it, or about half of it. And I have like so much left over. I thought that was insane because I really thought I wasn't going to have enough for a little while. But yeah, I love the way this looks. I also did distress it. I didn't show that on video, but I did just use a hand sander and just sanded it down just to rough up the edges just a little bit to make it distressed. And then I have chalk markers. These are from Arteza. I absolutely love these. And don't mind my handwriting. I don't have the best handwriting, but I really try my hardest, so I kind of want to redo this just a little bit. I tried to copy a picture on Pinterest where they did like pine needles and things like that. You're going to see that I kind of redid this quite a bit, but I was kind of glad because if you just take a wet rag, the chalk marker comes right off, but it doesn't ruin the chalkboard, which I was kind of curious about since it was from Dollar Tree. So yes, you know, just I love the way this looks, but I think I do want to redo my handwriting just because I don't know. I didn't love my handwriting. But here you go. I did that. I also made some snowflakes on here for winter, and I just put this right on my front porch.
'Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through.
This very last DIY for this video is going to be a wreath. I picked up this little welcome sign from Goodwill. It was $3.09, and I thought it was really nice. Even if you didn't put it on a wreath, it would be really cute like on a shelf or something like that. This wreath I also picked up for $3.09, so this was about a $10 wreath total to make. I did use items I already had. I just ripped everything apart on the wreath, and we're gonna just start with that.
Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care 'cause
And I'm taking my Waverly chalk paint in white, and I'm just going to paint the entire welcome sign white. And then I did end up going back and having to redo the insides and the cracks. This took a while to paint. I was pretty shocked by how many days this took to do because I kind of just, I don't know, you get like you're over painting something so many times because I did have to do 2 coats of this plus the insides, and then I ended up taking a sander and distressing around the edges, which I am so happy I did. I love the way it looks, so if it doesn't work out on the wreath, I can just rip it off the wreath and just put it right on a shelf or something like that. These picks, I thought they looked wintry. They were 70% off at Joann's, so I'm assuming they were winter. But they remind me of like a nice little primitive style. I used to do my house in primitive decor. And I had a lot of these little beads or these little berries, whatever you want to call them. And I just stuck one on the top and one on the bottom. And then I have these boxwood greenery from Walmart. They were 97 cents. And these hydrangeas, I don't know. Those were from Dollar Tree during the fall time. And I'm just kind of placing everything in here. I'm not gluing anything except the welcome sign. Obviously the welcome sign's pretty heavy. And I have a new glue gun, which I'm really excited about. It is a Surebonder glue gun. I received it for Christmas this year, and it is so nice. The glue sticks are also Surebonder, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to check out a new glue gun, but I definitely recommend it. It works amazing. But yeah, I'm just placing greenery and these hydrangeas, everything into here. I think this looks like a winter wreath, but I also think it could possibly go for an everyday wreath, which was kind of what I was going for as well. So I don't have to keep changing out my wreaths for every season. I do just like to kind of leave a wreath on the door for a while. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Also, make sure to check out Skillshare. The link will be in the description box below so you guys can join their premium membership for 2 months for free. You won't regret it. It's super fun. Classes are awesome. Love it, love it, love it. It's like I said before, it's almost like my new Pinterest obsession. Till then, I'll see you guys next video. Bye!
I'm on my way up and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna